Hey there, it's bootsowen here. Wonders will never cease. This is a Bosch Exxcel washing machine that I was having troubles with. It was getting stuck at 1 minute with a full load of wet laundry in it. I put it on to the 40-degree cycle again, because that's the only cycle it seems to be getting stuck on. And it's finished. It's done its job, like a good washing machine. So I've got an element and a thermistor, or a NTC thermocouple temperature sensor on its way. And I'll probably replace them anyway because it could be an intermittent fault or that kind of thing. But I ran it on 40 and it didn't work. Ran it on 40 again and it didn't work. Ran it on 60 and it worked. I think I did a 90-degree wash and that worked. Did a 40 easy care and that worked. So then back to 40 twice now and it's worked. So it's a complete mystery really, this machine. It could just be one of those things that crops up from time to time. Maybe the weather's been really hot and the cellar where the washing machine is hotter than it usually is. But it's still like 18-20 degrees down here. It's not exactly, hot, so I don't know. But there you go. Any ideas, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you later.